Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today's tutorial is gonna be a tutorial about Google Sheet application on your mobile phone. And in this video I would like to show to you how to continue editing on your Google Sheet application while have no internet on it. The Google Sheet application actually is the application that you can work best on internet. So if there is no internet, you cannot update the documents that you have. But then Google Sheet application also provides you the solutions to this case. You can still editing your documents without any internet, but then they will be updated later when you got the internet connections back. So the things that you have to do is just go choose the documents that you want to work through, and after that you just need to go click these three small buttons, and after that you just need to go click make available offline. Make sure that you activated this options, and it will be signed with the checklist button over here. So whenever you already got this, you can just start editing, add the informations, either you have no internet on it, and this document will be updated later when you already have the internet. So that's the way how to edit your Google Sheet application with no internet. So hopefully this tutorial is help you so well. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.